such victory of a man should irreversible be by Mara or Brahma or any of the gods. Dhammapad 105. The victory of one who conquers himself cannot be turned into defeat. He remains a self-controlled individual who lives ever disciplined. Such conquest cannot be turned into defeat either by a god or by a spirit, a Mara, the devil, or a Brahma. Neither Deva nor minstrel divine nor Mara together with Brahma can overthrow the victory of such one as this. Dhammapad 105. নেব দেব ন গন্ধব্য ন মার সহ ব্রহ্মণা জিতং অপজিতং করিয়া তথা রূপস্য জন্তুন। Dhammapad 105.